Hi everyone. Do you know how electronic data capture system work? Let's understand. Electronic data capture systems are digital platforms used in clinical trials to collect, manage and store patient data securely and efficiently. The steps involved are: number 1, study setup and database design. Clinical trial sponsors and researchers design an electronic case report form. Number 2, data entry and collection. Investigators enter patient data directly into the EDC system via a web-based interface. Number 3, real-time data validation and error checks. The system automatically checks for missing data, inconsistencies and protocol deviations. For example, if a blood pressure value is too high, the system may flag it for verification. Number 4, data cleaning and query resolution. Data managers and monitors review and validate records for accuracy. Queries, that is discrepancies, are sent to sites for clarification or correction. Number 5, data log and export for analysis. Once data is clean and complete, it is logged, meaning no further changes allowed. Data is exported in CDISC compliant formats for statistical analysis. And the last step, regulatory submission and compliance. Data is securely stored and submitted to regulatory agencies for drug approval.